Here are some baby blog post ideas which I have found. This is more related to recipes, snacks, etc. for kids. And I found these on two different websites. Okay, as an example. So I'm not just saying that these are good examples, I'm saying that this is something which people are actually looking for, and what in this video I'm going to show you these blog post ideas for your baby blog. You can use it for your Instagram posts, your YouTube videos, um, and Facebook posts, and I will also show you samples and examples of two websites. Okay, the first one is Tots and Moms, and you can see here that her top categories are porridges, instant foods for babies, khichdi recipes, millet recipes, healthy weight gain recipes. Okay, and the actually the most one of the most popular ones for hers is instant food for babies. So her age range is babies to toddlers, and the next one is nutritions by mylittlepoppet.com. She is a doctor, a medical doctor. Okay, and she has again, one of the most popular is babies meal plans, and then she has also YouTube channel. Similar for the other lady also, she has a YouTube channel. Okay, we are looking at some commonalities here. This lady is selling baby cereal, health mixes, instant millets, etc., etc. And this lady also has a shop, and she sells a similar items. Okay, she's also making videos. Then you see there are baby food charts in the Tots and Moms, and here you have meal plans, toddler and baby meal plans. You have different types of recipes by meal type, dish type, special diet, and festivals. And of course, this is how she is monetizing one in this. And suppose you click here, you will see that ads show up. So she's also monetizing on her, like you can sponsor posts here, you can uh, buy sponsorship for this website, and also she is uh, showing selling her own products. She's certified by FFSSI, Food Safety something of India, and similarly this lady is also certified by the FSSAI. Okay, and if you look at Tots and Moms, again she sells a similar products: cereals, porridges, millets, ragi, oats, you know, natural sweeteners. Okay, this is I wanted to show the YouTube channel. uh, Here you can see that she has 95.3k subscribers. This lady, and Tots and Moms has 315k subscribers. You know, going towards half a million. If you look at the playlist which they have created, and also I will be looking at her own created playlist. She has multiple playlists, and where she has added the latest videos. So if you see, her looks like what's working for her is breakfast recipes for babies, toddlers, kids and family, lunch box recipes, Tots and Mom organic baby food store, all about her products, snacks for babies. Okay, and this ladies, if we see, and again this is easy porridge recipes for babies, snacks for babies. Can you see the commonality? Snacks for babies, porridge recipes, breakfast recipes. Here also breakfast recipes, snacks. Looks like these are common, these are popular. Lunchbox recipes for babies, toddlers, kids. She has something lunchbox recipes for daycare, play school, school kids. Okay, so and then finger foods for babies. If you see here again, there is first food, there is finger food somewhere here also. So this is how you identify the similarities. So I found out that they are topping the some of their popular things are like easy recipes for babies, healthy snacks for babies, breakfast recipes for babies. So I have put all these on my website, and I am going to link that down. I'll grow this list. I right now it's a pretty short targeted list. I'll expand it further. And also, if you are in the same niche, right, your babies and parenting, if you are talking about babies, sometimes you need to talk about moms. Okay, so for example, these ladies are talking about postnatal diet for moms, the diet after pregnancy. There's also other kinds of parenting tips, handling the toddler and all that, and also some kind of home remedies for colds, coughs, etc. Again, a word of caution. I have always said this, that do not try and touch any medical related stuff on your website, because that is not, unless you are a certified doctor or a professional, it is to be on the safer side. Do not touch that. But if you're making like videos and all, I think it's still okay for that. But see the kind of videos these people are making. If they are making anything, they are just like how to reduce high fever in babies. Okay, but then do mention disclaimers that you are not a medical doctor. Even if you are like a nutritionist, still you're not a medical doctor, right? So you have to be careful when you give medical advice. Apart from that, what I'll do is I'll give you the topics, and you have to type that into Google, and you'll get some more topics for these, like first foods for babies, finger foods for babies, things like that. And also I have these maternity clothing and stuff which is really easy to rank for. So look these up also. Suppose if you have a lifestyle kind or a double niche kind of a blog, this would be helpful. Try not to have too many niches on your blog, because overall it will be very difficult to rank and monetize initially, because there'll be too much going on. So hope this helps. I'll link out both of them below, and let me know what exactly is your blog about, so that I can help you further. All my videos will be catered to helping you.